you're experiencing crashes while playing Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify potential problems and apply solutions effectively. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Cyberpunk 2077. Verify your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage specifications against the game's requirements to confirm compatibility. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the official website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers for your GPU. Installing updated drivers can resolve compatibility issues and improve game stability. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or GOG, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of game files. This process will check for missing or corrupted files and replace them, which can help eliminate crashes. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game to reduce the load on your system. Start with settings like resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality, and see if this improves stability during gameplay. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may interfere with the game. This includes overlays, recording software, or any other resource-heavy programs that could cause performance issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issues in Cyberpunk 2077. If problems persist, consider seeking further assistance from community forums or the game's support team.